So let's take a look at how you can add new custom tab in Salesforce Developer. So log into Salesforce Developer account and you will have setup home something like this. Now here, to add new custom tab, you go to this create menu, click on custom tab entry from the menu, click on that. That should open new page for tabs. Now here you will have to choose the object from this drop down menu. Let's say I have this printable product and then I want to also set this tab style. You can choose from the available options. So let's say it is a product related to print, so let's go with the book sign. Okay, this is a sign that I wish to have on that custom tab. Then I can choose where you want the link to appear. Currently set to none because we don't have splash page custom link. Then we can also add short description. Okay, then after that you will have to click on next. Okay, so there are total 3 steps. And now here you can decide what to enable and what to disable. Okay, you can enable analytics, authentication, contract manager, and other items. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Okay, we can also enable this later on. Okay, you can also have apply a different tab visibility for each profile, or one tab visibility for all profiles. You can keep that on. Click next, and now here you have to verify before it gets added to the app. Okay, so check and uncheck all the specific features that you wish to have with app for this tab. Okay, and then save this. Once you save it, you will be able to use that tab from the upper navigation menu in your Salesforce admin side, where you allow your sales and admins to access that tab.